that helps the wheels spin. B is for boxcar, where cargo fits in. C is for conductor, who checks every pass. D is for diesel, burning fuel fast. E is for engine, pulling with might. F is for freight train, traveling through the night. G is for gauge, measuring the track. H is for horn that goes toot and clack. I is for iron, the rails made so strong. J is for junction, where train paths belong. K is for kiosk, where tickets are sold. L is for locomotive, powerful and bold. M is for monorail, gliding up high. N is for network, tracks that multiply. O is for overpass, bridges so grand. P is for platform, where passengers stand. Q is for quiet car, for peace and for rest. R is for railroad, connecting east to west. S is for steam train, with smoke puffing out. T is for tunnel, dark and devout. U is for underground, subway trains below. V is for velocity, how fast trains can go. W is for whistle, blowing so loud. X is for crossing, where cars must wait proud. Y is for yard, where trains go to sleep. Z is for zigzag paths through mountains steep. All aboard the alphabet train, let's ride again.